It's so funny when you get started with something new, you have no idea how it's going to change the entire trajectory of your life. I was the mom that sleptwalked to the coffee pot just to be the couch mom. I was not driven, I wasn't ambitious, I wasn't looking forward to it. You know, that my good days were, you know, getting out of my pajamas for the day. My girlfriend calling me up that day, December 2014, she just said, "Hey, I got something I think you should try. It's gonna make you feel better." From day one, I remember taking those capsules and having that little burst of energy, but in my head I was like, maybe that's just, you know, excitement for the day. By that 10th day, I was like sold. I was like, there's no way I'm going back. I'm actually getting up before, you know, my alarm. I'm feeling good. I'm taking my daughter outside, walking, you know, just getting outside the house. And just those little life changes led me to just have that ounce of hope that, you know what, there's something beyond this point. You know, I always say Thrive was the vehicle to lead me to the life that I wanted to live.